First Warn 5 Weather Report, supported by Bert Ogden and Fiesta Dealerships.
And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Andrew Chung.
Good evening, everyone. Thanks for staying with us on this Saturday night. It was another hot day with high temperatures reaching the upper 90s and triple digits. We tied the record high of 99 in Brownsville today and broke a new record in McAllen of 104 this afternoon. And we saw a few isolated showers this afternoon. Should be quiet for tonight. It's just going to be warm and muggy, but a great night to see that moon, which rises at 12:06 in the morning on Sunday. Just a few clouds overnight with lows in the upper 70s. Look at the temperatures right now, still very warm, 87 degrees in McAllen, 83 in Weslaco, 83 in Raymondville, and 83 degrees in Harlingen, 84 degrees in Brownsville. So here's the day planner forecast for tomorrow. It is going to be another hot one with temperatures in the upper 70s, though warm at 8 a.m., 95 at noon, and 97 degrees at 5 p.m. Mostly sunny skies. There is a chance for a stray shower, only calling for a 10% chance of a shower in the afternoon. And for Labor Day Monday, we'll raise the rain chances to 20%, so it's not a washout, but there is still the chance for some isolated afternoon sea breeze showers or thunderstorms with a temperature of 98 degrees, triple digits out west. If you're going to be outside during the day, tomorrow or Monday, please do be careful, take it easy, and drink plenty of water. Let's talk about the tropics, and here is Tropical Storm Florence. Africa on the right-hand side of your screen, South America on the bottom left, and Florence right now has maximum winds of 50 miles an hour. It's moving to the west-northwest at 14, so here's the official forecast track from the Hurricane Center. It is expected to make a turn to the northwest, but we don't expect to be a threat to the Gulf of Mexico or the valley. Closer to home, we are watching still this area of low pressure now in the southeastern Bahamas, which has a 50% chance of development over the next 5 days. So the forecast calls for this potential tropical system to move to the northwest through the eastern Gulf of Mexico, probably bring some good rains to the central Gulf Coast and maybe even southeast Texas. We'll talk more about that in just a bit. First of all, a rather quiet night. We did see a few isolated thunderstorms early this afternoon. A lot of rain out west. That has cooled off temperatures into the 60s and 70s in Amarillo and Midland. We'd like to see that, but right now still very warm here in deep south Texas. 89 Del Rio, 81 in El Paso and Houston, and 85 degrees in Dallas-Fort Worth. All right. So I mentioned that area of low pressure in the Bahamas. That's going to track to the northwest over the eastern Gulf of Mexico. And the models are disagreeing on where this eventually ends up by the end of next week. This European model thinks it starts to head towards southeast Texas by next week. For us, the tropical moisture is going to increase in any case. So we're going to keep in a slight chance of some showers and thunderstorms each day. The high pressure system is not over us directly, so that allows for weakness in the atmosphere. So that means we keep in a chance each afternoon for some showers and thunderstorms. At this point, the highest rain chances are 30% for the middle of next week. That may change by the end of next week. 10% chance of a shower or thunderstorm tomorrow, 20% chance of some thunderstorms on Monday, and then a 30% chance of some thunderstorms on Tuesday. On the water, small craft should use caution. We'll have winds out of the southeast to south at 10 to 15 knots. The bay waters are choppy, and the seas are 2 to 4 feet. So for tonight, partly cloudy, but still a nice night to see the moon rising at 12:06 a.m., 78 degrees, warm and muggy. Then for tomorrow, mostly sunny and hot with a 10% chance of a shower, high temperature 100 degrees. Here's that 7-day forecast. Highs are back in the mid-90s for Tuesday. We put in a 30% chance of some showers and thunderstorms for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, but nice to be talking about mid-90s for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday instead of triple digits. We're back to the upper 90s for Friday and for Saturday.